What's going on, guys? How you guys doing today? I just got up and got ready for class. About to head out pretty soon. But your boy's rocking his new Yeezys today. But yeah, let's get started with today's vlog. So I would usually be taking my little brother to school right now. For Hull, you guys know him. But he's not feeling too good, so he's got to stay out today. Man, it is freezing out here. But yeah, right now I'm going to my 8 o'clock class. I really don't like waking up this early, but then again I do because I like to get it out the way and have more time throughout the day. You feel me? You already know your boy got them bars, whipping his Toyota Camry car, going to college so he can make it far. Now let me stop. One thing I like to do to wake myself up in the morning is blast my fucking music. I don't only be waking myself up, I be waking up the whole fucking neighborhood. That girl is a real top piece. Small world, all her friends know me. Young boy living like an old king. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Right girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for. Hey, that front row parking though. That's something else I like about my early classes. Don't have to worry about parking.
3x minus 4y plus 1.
Gotta print some papers off in the library, but right now I'm about to head out. Yep, you ain't making that, son. You ain't making that. You better back the fuck up. Oh shit, let me get out of. Oh, he just bent the whole sign and shit. Damn. There's no way you getting in there, son. That's funny. Oh, fuck it up. Fuck it up. Look at you. Look at you. God damn. Breaking the whole sign and shit. God damn, this nigga cannot drive. Like, do you not know how to work your truck? He over here running on the sidewalk and shit. Yeah, I gotta get away from him. Look, they about to fucking collide. Holy shit. That is crazy. Look, he about to hit that car. Oh my god. So McDonald's parking lot was packed as a motherfucker. Had to park all the way over here. About to go inside and grab something to eat real quick. So McDonald's cookies be the best. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You already know the deal. I just wrapped up eating. About to probably head to the house now. Just got home. Oh yeah. We got a package? Alright. FedEx man is here. Wow. Apparently we got a package. Let's check it out. Alright, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. You too. I wonder what this is. Huh. Doesn't have a name. I don't remember ordering nothing that big. I'm just going to assume it's for the office. Nobody's even in here. Wow. I'll be in there later on though. But right now, I'm going to try to get a little bit of homework done. Hey, Fro. How you feeling?
I'm feeling bad.
Feeling bad? Miguel, ¿qué pasa? Look at you, my man just woke up. What? You like watching Minions? Bye 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 bye. ¿Qué pasa? Sí. Well, man, for Hull's not feeling too good. He didn't even go to school today. Get well soon, bro. Bye 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 bye. So I just wrapped up doing some homework, but right now I'm about to head out to the office and try to get some work done.
Suelo tampoco. Sí, yo creo.
Oh, oh, oh. So I'm finishing up some work in the office. I'm gonna try to grab something to eat real quick whenever Lily's done cooking. But before I do that, I'm gonna try to change real quick. Hey, that's better. But hopefully the food's done. Came just in time.
Yeah.
So right now I'm working on a little bit of math homework. Math is not my favorite subject, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Say what? Yo, he's literally trying to speak English. Miguel, say it again.
Yeah.
Say what you doing? What you doing? You trying to speak English. ¿Qué dijiste? What are you doing? He's trying to speak English so bad. It's funny. What are you doing? He sounds so funny. So my man Josh just hit me up. It looks like we made some plans, so let me change real quick. Hey, so right now I'm about to head out. So it looks like we're meeting up at a diner. Never been here before, and I don't know where it's at, so I had him text me the address. But that's where I'm headed to right now.
One is in head like the exorcist. I got 99 problems and messages. Don't be asking me why I don't touch your bitch. Wrap your legs around me like we wrestling. Get on your knees, don't you be so damn.
So it looks like I beat Josh here. I think he just pulled up, if I'm not mistaken, because I think I had seen his car. But I just realized some bullshit, man. I got a fucking hole in my pants. Like, this is crazy. I can fit my whole thumb in there. I don't know how I did that. That's crazy. Anybody got a sewing kit? I no way. Motherfucker just put up beside me.
Yo, I got them subwoofers in now.
Really? I want to hear it.
Here, I'll show you.
My shit's bumping too, man.
Here.
Wait, how'd you get it fixed?
I did it.
Damn. Looks like me and my man Josh is gonna be bumping together. But these guys just literally got out the gym. Look at them. Come up in here in shorts.
Delivery guy now.
Really?
Yeah, some guy named Toby. Like legit, Viv, right?
So apparently they got a new delivery guy. Replacing me probably.
Yeah, probably.
But hey.
Huh?
She be's way. Hey, that's what I used to look like. But you know, your boy cut his hair off.
See, like right there, that's sick.
Odell Beckham. My man. I know him. By the way, guys, Josh is 21. My Bambi's 41. So like, this is crazy. I'm 18, by the way, and I'm hanging out with older guys. I feel awesome.
I'm a 12-year-old.
He looks 12.
12-year-old tapped on 12-year-old body.
It's the other way around.
He's big.
Just kidding.
Whoa. Just taking my fries.
Holy crap.
Dang, my man B.
Anything else I can get for you at the moment?
Can I get more, please?
Yep.
Oh my god. If I finish this food, I'm gonna be surprised. Cause I literally just ate like I literally just ate like 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago probably. Not even. Damn, B, where'd your food go? My man got a second plate. I'm over here not even halfway done.
He won't even finish it.
I guarantee I'm not gonna finish this. Cause I just ate not too long ago. But yeah, feel free to eat my fries. Last time I came here, I got that shit. Tastes like a straight up house. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
Oh shit. Yo, how much for a bottle? A whole one, not one shot.
That's your like.
Oh shit, god damn. Hey, y'all, hey, they don't believe in trash cans. But right now, about to meet up at Josh's crib. Yo, I'm gonna follow you. I don't know how to get there, yo. Alright.
Yeah, we're going right over the fucking hill. The little grass thing.
Say we won't.
Alright, say no more.
Okay. A man got them new speakers. I'm trying to keep up with this nigga. He's fucking gassing it. Yo, you was fucking gassing it.
I was dipping.
I couldn't even keep up with you. Went on a rotors run. And this is the part when you start running. I literally just ate. But hey, fuck it. Yo, I'm gonna get big like both of you guys. I'm eating so much food. No, you're shorter, but like you're kind of bigger and like stockier. Yeah.
Where'd you get the Woodard?
A full course meal.
It was probably got.
It's probably old as shit.
Yeah.
1893 Pepsi Cola. I'm about to try it out. Damn, I just realized what I had in my pocket.
What is that?
Something from from the diner. I had bought this shit and I forgot I had it. 40 cent. 50 cent. 50 cent. Dab. I just got to Josh's house. About to spend a little bit of time here. Chill with these guys.
They didn't have fucking cans like that back then.
Yeah, there's no way this is from 1893. But here goes nothing.
It's probably the same, like.
Tastes just like a fucking Pepsi.
I think it's supposed to be like.
They try to get you to buy this shit. Black can. This is so suspicious. Like, wow. Did you really just go take a shower?
Me? I did, yeah.
Oh shit.
Did you
That was good. Hell yeah. Demolished it.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get big, man. And once I start eating more, I can turn this fat into some muscle and get big. But I'm working on it. Damn. So Josh is showing me all the shit he be taking to get his size. Like, wow. The whole process. We got that. Then we got the crack.
Gotta mix it all together now.
Yep. Shake it up. Drink it. And yep. That's how you do it. You already know. We just chilling right now, about to play a little Call of Duty. I don't know where B's at.
I hear him.
I hear him coming too. There he goes. We was just talking about you.
Alright. So,
Press the red button before.
watch me.
Where you at? Hey, where you at? Okay.
Alright.
So we made it to around 122. Fucking killing. Nah, we suck ass. What did we get to?
I think like 10.
Yo, okay, now I'm ready. I didn't know what to expect because this was my first time playing, but let's get it. Hey, we did a little better. But I'm about to go ahead and head out. Alright, man.
See ya.
Hell yeah. You guys be safe, especially you.
Especially me.
So yeah, I'm headed out to my house right now. Pretty sure I won't be doing much. Look at the time. Yes, late as hell, and I got class in the morning. But yeah, man. So yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. If you guys did enjoy, be sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.